Albums. Creating albums is the most classic way of organising photos. When LAMU imports photos, there is an option to automatically create albums for folders that contain photos. If you have albums that are stored using file folder structures, these albums will be created automatically during the import. You can create an album whenever you are viewing a list of photos. For example, if you are in the timeline view and are viewing a list of photos on a day, you can select some of the photos, then right-click on the selection and select Add to Album. From the pop-up window, either select an existing album or create a new one. You can create new albums or add photos to albums when you are viewing individual photos and videos. Right-click on the photo or video and choose Add to Album. All albums are listed in alphabetical order in the Albums view. Double-click an album to see all the photos. By default, the photos are sorted by date and time. If you want to sort the albums by file name, you can do so by setting a user preference. From the left main menu, click the LAMU logo at the bottom left corner. Then click the User Preference button at the top action bar. In the User Preference window, choose File Name for Album Photo Sort Order and save. The photos in albums will be sorted by file name. In the future, you can switch back to sort by date and time if needed. With albums, you can sort the photos in any order you like using Custom Sort. Open the album you want to custom sort. Click the Custom Sort button in the top action bar. A dialog window will open with all the photos in the album. You can drag items around to arrange the sort order. Select items you want to move, then drag and drop the selection onto the item at the position you want to move to. Make sure to drop onto the thumbnail image of the target location. To select multiple items, hold down the Control key while clicking the items. To select a range of consecutive items, click the first item and then, while holding down the Shift key, clicking the last item to select the range. When you are done with reordering, click Save. Your album will be sorted in the order you have chosen. From the album list, you can rename an album if needed. Select an album and then right-click and select Edit. A dialog window will pop up. Enter the new name and save. To export photos of an album, select an album and then right-click and select Export all items in album. You can choose to export the photos to a single folder or in separate dated folders. To delete an album, select an album and then right-click and select Delete.